Alright, you'll have to forgive me for the wind noise, but out here in the backyard, I got a problem with this gate. My gate, the wind blows it open. Obviously, I had to replace this board recently, and there used to be a bar that went in here and locked into the latch, and that's gone now. So what I'm going to do here is take this piece of scrap structural steel and form it into another bar that would go in here. I'm going to bolt it here. Actually going to bolt it across two of these so it's a little more sturdy, and it should fix my fence problem. So I'm going to measure it, and then we'll go over to the shop and go ahead and start grinding it out. Alright, so I'm here on the workbench. I've drawn out where I want my 2 screws to go, and I may move that up to 4 actually. And then I've drawn out the shape of the latch itself. I'm going to try to keep as much of the bar intact for 2 reasons. 1, I don't want to do any more grinding than I have to on this thing. And 2, I want it to be tough. It's obviously very thick steel. It was thick bar stock. I can't remember exactly the size. But I'm going to go ahead and grind this out real quick, and then we'll go fit it up. See how it works. Alright, got it mounted up, and there's our homemade latch. It's secured to 2 separate boards and fits in there just as I wanted. So the fence is not going to come open. I pull on it, but if you open the latch, it opens right up. The only way I should improve this is probably getting some actual lag bolts and throwing some lock nuts on the back, but for a demonstration and a quick fix, it works pretty well. The next thing I want to fix on this fence will be the hinges. Previous homeowner let them bend, and that's caused a tremendous alignment issue. As you can see, one minute it lines up and the next it doesn't, so I'm going to have to use my camera hand to lift it back into place, but that's for another video. So if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe so you get notified of my latest videos. Thanks for watching.